Have you ever felt like learning English is a mountain that's just too high to climb? You're not alone. But today, let's change our mindset together. Keep watching as we explore practical steps and inspiring tips that will keep you motivated on your English learning journey. Let's make this climb a successful one. Discover your motivation. Everyone has their own unique reason for learning English. Maybe you dream of traveling to new places, pursuing higher education, or advancing in your career. Your motivation is your power. Write it down and look at it every day. Let this reason be the wind beneath your wings, pushing you forward when challenges arise. Realistic goals. Big dreams start with small steps. Set realistic goals for each week or month. Whether it's learning 5 new vocabulary words a day, or mastering a new tense by the end of the month, these goals should be your stepping stones. Remember, success is a collection of well-navigated small steps. Integrating English into daily life. Make English a part of your daily routine. Label items in your home with their English names, switch your phone's language setting to English, or start your day by reading a short English article. Immersion is key, and the more you surround yourself with the language, the more natural it will feel. Engage with media. Media is a powerful tool for learning. Watch movies, listen to music, and dive into English podcasts about topics you love. This not only improves your listening skills, but also makes learning enjoyable and relevant to your interests. Connect with others. Learning English doesn't have to be a solo journey. Connect with fellow learners or native speakers. This can be through online forums, social media groups, or local language cafes. Sharing your experiences and challenges can boost your motivation and expose you to various accents and cultures. Embrace mistakes. Embrace your mistakes as they are incredible learning opportunities. Every error you make is a step towards mastering English. Don't be afraid to speak up, even if you stumble. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Stay inspired and motivated. Keep your inspiration alive by listening to motivational talks in English or reading inspiring stories of others who have mastered the language. Remember why you started and imagine where your skills can take you. This vision will keep the fire of learning burning within you. Be patient and persistent. Patience and persistence are your best friends on this journey. Learning a new language is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate the small wins, stay consistent, and keep pushing. Your efforts will pay off, and one day, you'll look back amazed at how far you've come. Never forget, learning English opens up a world of opportunities. Stick with it, use the tips we discussed today, and you will succeed. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep practicing. Don't give up, you've got this. Subscribe for more tips, share this video, and let us know your progress in the comments below. See you next time.